Hey folks, Farm Boy RN here. The best bandage, if you had just one bandage to have, this is it. Co-band, vet wrap, self-adhesive wrap, sports wrap. It's durable, waterproof, cheaper than bandages. I have it in all my kits. My trauma kit over top of the safe in the house. I have it in my backpack, my daily carry kit. I also keep it in all my vehicle trauma kits. Let me show you how tough it is. Let's go check it out. Held up really well, even with 2 miles of running in the rain, some woods running, a couple swims in the lake. You can tell my finger one is still on there from earlier. I'm pretty impressed. And then obviously my knee, I've had to hike it up a few times just to kind of keep it in position, but other than that, that's been it. So one tough bandage works really well. Hey folks, hopefully you liked this demonstration as much as I did. I have a first aid kit in my backpack. I'd like to show you a breakdown of that in a future video. It's airport safe. I've been to Europe, back and forth twice from the US to Europe a few times with it. TSA safe, TSA approved. Of course I have co-band or vet wrap in that. And how it fits together in my backpack and all the things I can do with it. It's very small, very efficient. A trauma kit over top of the safe in the family safe room, as well as in my family vehicle and my work vehicle. So stay tuned for those videos, folks. It was a pleasure. Till next time, take care.